Hey guys, how's it going? So today I want to show you a 100 yen shop in Japan. This is Daiso. They have some in America, but this is a gigantic two-story Daiso. It's the biggest one I've ever been to, and we're here at the Raikon Mall in Okinawa, Japan. But I wanted to show you around this store because it's a 100 yen shop, which is like a Dollar Tree, like a dollar store, but they're a lot better, and this is massive. So let's go inside, see what kind of stuff they sell. So here's the front, and you can see it's just 2 stories, gigantic. And here, we'll go inside and check it out. So you got plants, little succulents, little cute little things. And I'm actually gonna buy some stuff as gifts because this is just a great gift shop. So these are all the basic things, just a lot of beauty stuff, hair, combs, and mirrors, and little face deodorants and stuff. And keep in mind too that not everything in here is $1, you know, just like the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store. They have stuff that's labeled a little bit more. So this is 200 yen, that's like $2. 500 yen is $5. But for the most part, 90% of the stuff in here is 100 yen. And even the stuff that's more is not really too much more. So here's some cute keychains and some cute plates. Wow, those are really nice. There's a lot of Mickey stuff here, actually. I like this. This is a floor mat, and it's Mickey. A lot of Disney stuff here. Here's Japan with the fans. They have all kinds of different designs. They also have these USB fans that are really nice. Our friend got one. You plug it into the computer. In fact, I think he has this one, and it works really well. And then these are manual fans. So this is 100 yen, not electric. You just press this. You guys feel it? Move into the outdoor garden section. They have cute little sandals for kids. Boshi hats, and these are so you can capture these bugs in Japan. They have like these horned beetles, and these are little baskets for little kids to catch them. Something they do for fun here. And you could decorate it, and look at this. You can make it really nice and just decorate the whole thing. This entire side over here is Japanese candies and foods and drinks. It is amazing. And these are the things that I really missed when I was in America, just the Japanese snack foods. You can see here what they have, all these Japanese drinks. Here's cold ones, teas, just all kinds of snack foods. Here's all the chips. This entire side's like a grocery store. Curries and stuff here, and instant rices. It's electronics. I have a Nintendo Switch case there. Headphones, phone cases here. Flashlights, LEDs. Here's office supplies. And Japan is like amazing for office supplies. Look at this giant calculator. Oh, this is something I really like in Japan. They have these cute little erasers. They're adorable. This is actually something I think I want to get some people. Yeah, look at these erasers though. They're so cute. So guys, this is a standalone Daiso, but I feel like normally in Japan, these Daisos and 100 yen shops are like with another store or in a mall or something. This is technically in a mall. It's like the outdoor part of a mall. So it's kind of in a mall, but there's no other stores attached to this one. So it's kind of like a standalone one. Anyway, just wanted to say that. Here's some of your more traditional Japanese stuff. We got just really cheap fans that are really nice. Here's sushi keychains and erasers, more erasers. And you can see these pens are really cool. They got all this craft paper here. And then you got the wall hanging stuff. And these are really cool. They're 3D puzzles. And you just make these little 3D puzzle things. All right, let's go upstairs. So you got Japanese drinking glasses. These little ice cubes are cute. There's all kinds of dishware here. And this is the container section. They have lots of little storage containers here. There's actually a lot of cooking stuff. So we got tools here, so you can see behind me, tool section. They have pretty much everything you could think of, everything that like a Dollar Tree or dollar store would have. It's just like the Japanese version. Also, they have a lot more cutesy things here. Here's those bamboo screens too, and lots of gardening stuff here. And organization galore in Japan. These are all containers and just organization stuff. Well, this is pets, but you can see they have all these little boxes, all these little things for you to organize stuff. It's amazing. Oh, this is all craft stuff here. You can see these are just beads of all kinds, folders, papers, millennium wraps. Here's some wrapping. Oh, that's bouquet paper. A lot of glues, utensils, stencils. Your gift bags are here as well. Pillows, indoor slippers, outdoor slippers, toilet and bath mats, and these little joint mat things. Anyway, guys, you can see how much Daiso in Japan has. There's tons of stuff, pretty much everything you could think of. Really cool store. I love going here. It's great for gifts, especially if you're sending stuff like that's Japanese, you know, Japanese type things to your American friends or something, and it costs so much to send. Like, it's really easy just to get this cool Japanese stuff here for a couple bucks, make like a little collection box and send it over. It's super loud in here. I have the mic on, so hopefully you guys can hear me, but there's announcements and babies crying and stuff like that. But anyway, guys, that's enough of this. You love Japan, you know what to do. Hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll cover all kinds of things like this that I really like. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.